Is this considered to be a big leaf? This is bigger than my phone. Es más larga que mi teléfono. It's the first time for me having plants like this, so I have no idea. Well, I know this one is a big leaf. And what do they say about this? That when they're getting yellow, I have to worry because they can die soon. Very pretty. Very pretty. I believe this one here is bigger though. Creo que esta de acá es más grande. Well, this one is indoors, right? And then all the babies here. And outside I have this. Two other big monsters and this other Syngonium. All of this. And this other, sorry, not Syngonium, Caladium. Yeah, so this leaf is dying, I guess. You can see half of it is already dead. So this one is gonna be next. Is that red line like the line of blood indicating they're gonna die or something? Let me know. Oh, look at the baby picture. Hope it makes it.